긴긴 얘기를 나누던 우리 I'm just gonna come on here really quick because the lighting and the camera and everything looks really pretty, right? This is like a stretchy material. It actually doesn't have much give this way, but when you turn it this way, it's more stretchy. You have to check that with fabric whenever you're working with fabric. But yeah, this color is absolutely beautiful. The pattern's pretty, but I don't know what to wear with this. Like if I were to, you know, make something out of it. So I've been watching some videos trying to figure out what to make. I don't know what to do. Gosh, I don't even know. So the audio did cut off. That was my bad. But yeah, no, I wanted to show you what I'm doing here. I'm actually just measuring the width and the height of the fabric. I think the width is like 36 inches and the height is like 10 or 11 inches. So right here, I'm just pinning down the measurements that I just took, and I'm making sure that the fabric, wait, I don't know what I'm doing actually. Oh no, wait, I am cutting what I measured. And I'm bad at voiceovers. I'm so sorry. But yeah, I'm cutting the measurement I did, and I'm cutting the height and the width of the fabric so that I can sew down the edges when I'm done. That piece that I just cut out, that's going to be for the straps. What I'm doing is later I'm going to cut that into 1-inch strips. I cut them into 4 strips, and I just sew them into like a strap thingy. Oh, I don't know what I'm talking about, guys. Don't. Maybe I should have just put music here. Anyways, yeah, no, I'm putting my finger here so that what am I doing? Oh, I'm cutting. I am cutting some more. I'm cutting. I don't know what I'm cutting actually. This is a very bad voiceover. I give up. Yeah. You guys, first rule of sewing, measure twice, cut once. Thank God I am just over 10 inches because the other side or the other end is at 11 inches, which is totally fine. You always want more fabric than less because you can always edit it when you're going forward. So this is about 18 inches across, folded over, so that has to be around 36, right? What is math? Let's see. So if I go all the way, it's about 37. So again, better than less because that would have been real bad. So yeah, I'm actually very confused. I don't know. So I was tucking in the pieces or whatever to make it look like this, and I was using the regular foot, and I was like getting it stuck inside the machine, and it was driving me crazy. And I'm like, do I have another foot? Because I never used another foot before, and I found this in my stash, and I was like, what is this? What is this? So I tried it, and come to find out, it's perfect for this. You can put it on either side, this side or this side. And I'm like, is it made for this? Was this made for just this? I don't know. I've never used it. So that was a great surprise. But I'm just still sewing, you guys, because look, I only did this much. Look how much I have left. It's just ridiculous. And I only cut out 4 pieces. So I don't know. I don't even know how long this is. I just need to get this finished. I'm sitting in the dark right now, sewing like a person, like a crazy person. But yeah, hopefully I can finish. What time is it now? It's actually 7 o'clock, so it's a little bit light out. It looks like it's gonna rain. I don't know. I'm kind of thirsty, so I'm gonna try to finish this stupid thing, and then I'll get back to you with the outfit, hopefully. Okay, so I freaking finally finished the entire string. Like, this is crazy. And you know what's really annoying? I forgot some, but you can always add it on. All you have to do is just like pinch it together and just add it to the end. But I think this is enough. And even if it isn't, I can just add it on. So what I just did was I added some pins here. Hopefully you can see that. They're like right there. Where the heck are they? Oh, wow. So yeah, I added 2 pins here and 2 pins here. So this is the top and this is the bottom. This material is so like, it's not stiff. So I'm gonna probably have to iron it so that it doesn't look so puffy on the edges. But what I'm gonna do is just make like some casings here by sewing these 2 pin thing areas. And thank God this pattern has like a horizontal pattern, because I could just follow the lines. If it didn't, I don't know what I would do, because I don't really have any markers or anything that are washable. I only have like this pencil and this gel pen on the floor, like, and they're white. So thank God for the horizontal pattern. I'm gonna sew this and I'll get back to y'all. So here I'm just showing you what I did initially to like what's the word, to like feed the inside of the tube with the string. I took this wire that I had laying around and I hooked it inside. At first it was doing real great, and then it got lost inside, so I had to pull that right out. And later on I show you how I do it with a pin, but here I'm just showing you how it's going to look once it's gathered. I did get that through in the first try. It's super cute and ruffly. So here I'm just finishing up all the sewing. I had to basically open up some seams because I had to that's not fish. What am I talking about? I have to feed the string into another section of the shirt. So I had to open up some seams on both sides of the garment. So that's what you see me doing there. It's the most annoying thing to do. If you sew, you know what I mean. It's so tedious. But eventually I get it open and I'm feeding through like a large pin. It wasn't really that hard. It was actually really easy. But yeah, you just see me do that there, and then I'll finish, and then after I do that, I am done.